Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ocker teaching this lesson. First things first, we're going to go over to the smartboard and do some rhythm warm-ups. Alright, we're over by our smartboard and I'm going to go back to this rhythm right here. And we're going to count and play these rhythms. I play, then you play. You ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, cool. Stop here a second. If you were really confused about those or you just need a little more work, go ahead and go back in the video a little bit and review those again. Now we're going to go on to level 2 of our rhythms, which includes some longer notes, our 2-beat value notes. And for long held out notes, I like to show that I'm holding the note on the drum like this. So for these it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, echo me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Last one, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Great job. Great job with the rhythms. Now let's head over to this video. Click link 1 and see if you can discover our next topic. So yes, this week we're going to start talking about a rondo. That was an introduction to the form of the rondo. Our form we're going to be using will be A, B, A, C, A. Next week we will begin writing the rhythms in this rondo, but for now we're just going to set up our page and prepare it to write the rondo. For this, the materials you need are a pencil and any piece of paper that you have available. Blank, regular size would be great. Alright guys, so here's my blank paper, and let's start by adding in the sections of our rondo. So first, rondo at the top, rondo form. And I'm going to draw an A here for our A section and circle that. I'm going to drop down a little bit, write the letter B, circle that. Now in the rondo, we always go back to what? A. So I'm going to draw that A there, circle there. Then we have C, the C section. And then we go back to A section. So here's your form. Doesn't have to be perfect, and we're gonna do bar lines now. So we have a bar line here, a bar line in the middle, and a bar line at the end. Each section is going to get 1, 2 measures. Go down to the B section, 1 bar line, second bar line there. A section, it's a bar line separating the 2 measures. C section, and the last A section. At the end of a composition, you always want to do a double bar line. The double bar line indicates that it is the end of the song. Okay, we filled that out, but the challenge for next week when we write our rhythms is that we're writing 4 beats in every measure, and we're going to include a new type of note called 16th notes. So up on the board, I have 3 notes, the 3 different types of notes. These different types have names. A quarter note, say quarter note. Eighth notes, say eighth notes. And 16th notes, say 16th notes. So they have something in common and something different. This is 1 note, this is a group of 2, and this is a group of 4. This is what they all have in common. They all take up 1 beat. How is that possible, Mr. Ocker? This group has 2 notes, and this group has 4 notes. 4 16th notes, 2 8th notes, 1 quarter. Yeah, the quarter makes sense. That takes up 1 beat. But what about 8th notes? What about 16th notes? Well, these notes move faster in order to fit inside 1 beat. Here's the quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 of them. How about 4 groups of 8th notes? To fit inside that steady beat, we'd go like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now, to fit 4 groups of 16th notes into 4 steady beats, it would sound like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Now, I'm going to teach you how to count them. So up on the board we have a rhythm now with 16th notes. It's the same way we were counting before. 1, 2, and now here it's a little tricky. We write 3, E, and So whatever beat it lands on is the starting beat. It could be 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. In this case it's 3 E and a. And that's how we write the rhythm counting underneath the notes. And the last beat is simply 4. So let's try this rhythm together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice job. Let's try a couple more. Here's another fun rhythm. And whoops, almost drew with a Sharpie marker. Need this marker instead. Here we have 1. What comes next? For the 16th note counts E and a. Single quarter note. 2, 3, E and a. 4. Those quarter notes feel kind of long now that we're playing super fast notes called 16th notes. Here we go. 1, 2, ready and to go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very nice. All right, guys, let's attempt to write 2 measures. And in one of those measures, well, in my example, 2, we're going to put some 16th notes in there. I think to help you guys out, we're going to review something and leave it up here. Let's review all our 1 beat notes that we know. We know ta gets 1 beat. We know a quarter rest takes up 1 beat. Oh, I'll move that camera up. We know that TT, 2 sounds combine together to create 2 beats. And we know our new one with 4 note heads, and then the double beams across are 16th notes. Some 2-beat patterns we know, keeping it simple, is a half note and a half rest. And I'll be honest, I made a mistake here, so we gotta fix that. Half rest is the one that goes up like that. And these are really the only rhythms I want us to work with today. So now, 2 measures. I have my bar line set up, and you're gonna try this in a second too. So we're gonna have our time signature 4/4, 4 beats per measure. Here's my rhythm. I'm gonna start with a quarter note. And once you write the quarter note, you write the rhythm underneath. 1. And now I'm already going to throw my 16th notes in. I draw my 4 note heads, my stems, and my double bar line. 1, 2, E, remember, and up. And now a half note. 3, 4. And I'm going to make these note heads a little bit bigger. Try to get them to the size of the others. 1, 2, E, and a 3, 4. Takes up all 4 beats. Let's go to here. I'm going to do something silly. Start with a rest. I'm going to add my, oh, I didn't add my count. So beat 1, quarter rest, takes up 1 beat, 1. Starts on beat 2, but it's only 1 beat. We count that as 2. And I like patterns in music, so I'm gonna do a half rest here. That takes up 3, 4. There's my 2-measure composition. Let's play it together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So guys, that was pretty content heavy today. Rondo form, 16th notes, writing them, all of that stuff is extremely important for what we're gonna do next week. If you want to go back and review anything from this lesson, feel free to. I hope you have an awesome day and that you can remember these 16th notes and rondo form. See you guys later.